Hello, I'm Dr. Sangeetha, Medical Director and Chief Consultant of Coral Advanced Fertility and Women's Care. I'm practicing in Bengaluru since 20 years. We'll talk about vaginal laser therapy, which can give a vaginal rejuvenation feeling along with the treatment of stress urinary incontinence. So there are some facts and myths about them. Vaginal rejuvenation with laser, definitely it's not only cosmetic. It can treat so many problems which are seen in a female due to aging, due to hormone changes, due to birth tears, because after giving birth there will be little bit tears, so it can affect the normal function including coital or the urinary system function or so many other things which can be treated with laser therapy. So vaginal rejuvenation definitely is not only cosmetic, it treats things like stress urinary incontinence. It brings back the normal health of the vagina, especially in menopausal, postmenopausal women, so that they can get rid of repeated white discharge after treating the infection and ruling out infection. They can sometimes get treated for mild prolapse, and definitely there will be decrease in the diameter of the vagina so that they go back to their normal youthful days, and the partner and the couple will be happy while having intercourse, because the laxity of the vagina can be treated with this. So there are multiple benefits of vaginal rejuvenation, and it's not only cosmetic, and definitely it is pain-free. No anesthesia is required, and it's like a OPD procedure. Patient comes in, walks out after 5 minutes of procedure, and the results can be seen after few weeks. There are multiple sessions required, and sometimes we repeat it every year or every 2 years depending on the patient condition.